So today is my birthday, and one of the things that I said I wanted to do today for my birthday is I'm gonna have her drive me around, and we're gonna take some pictures of Joplin so I can finish this video for Joplin that I'm making. And I thought, since it's the 4th of July and we've got all these it's got all this flags and everything around, today would be the absolute perfect day to do that. I usually do all the cooking, but this is my birthday, and so she's gonna make waffles out of muffin mix. It's gonna be great. Hello?
Hey, called to wish you a happy birthday.
That's good. I got Mom on hold too. She's trying to call, so
Well, why don't I let you go and you call me back when you got the phone, Mom? Is that right?
yeah, that's fine. It's like driving Miss Daisy, except it's
not a suicide pact?
Yeah, it's like driving Mr. Jean, I guess.
Okay, we can do that.
Joplin is a nice little town. I really loved living here in Joplin. Up to go check out Empire Market, and actually I want to get a picture of that big yellow chair.
You can't tell it was sugar free though.
Hold on, the screen didn't come on.
I got a feeling it's the moment my life's gonna start. I got the feeling when the windows roll down in the car. I got the feeling if I wanna fly, I know that I could. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good. The sun will show the way, I know the road to take. Throw all our cares away, I don't need to knock on wood. Time is on the side, let's all enjoy the ride. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good. Above the ceiling, higher than the stars, push through the sky. My heart is beating faster when I got you right by my side. I got a feeling if we wanna run forever we could. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good.
Any idea?
I have no idea what I want. I've not been here before.
Pineapple, coconut, vanilla. 2 regular pineapples, please.
Oh boy, I'm gonna have to put the camera down now so I can eat my pineapple bliss. This is the Joplin Memorial. They set this up as a memorial for all the people who died in that Joplin tornado that we had a while back. That was one of the worst tornadoes that we've ever had in the United States. And at this point, it's still the costliest as far as economic goes, and it's still one of the deadliest. I think it's still the second deadliest. So, you know, we lost a lot of people. It was really bad. But this is a memorial to remember those that we lost.
So I lift my hands to the God that guides me, to the one that finds me. Even in my darkest days, he walks beside me singing songs of freedom, always singing songs of life. And they're leading me out of the darkness, and they're bringing me into the light. Hey, he never said it would be easy. No, he never said we would be safe. My hope, my hope, my hope, hope. Ooh, 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 oh, 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 hope. My hope, my hope, my hope, hope. Ooh, 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 oh, oh, oh. Long live the people on the streets, hustling all day to go home and feed their families, just trying to make ends meet. They're grinding but they finding that they're still facing defeat. Long live the people that don't feel equal, working hard to pay the wages of this playing in casinos.
Are you saying that you don't get distracted?
No. I'm just saying I help you not be distracted sometimes.
Are you saying that I get distracted?
Yes.
My hope, hope.
You ever get tired of me asking you to do things for photos and videos?
Nope.
That's good, because it's not going away.
He never said it would be easy. No, he never said we would be safe. He never said the path we're walking on, no, it wouldn't have hurt us to face. But the Lord did promise me freedom, or the Lord did promise me strength. He said we soar on wings of eagles and not grow weary or faint. Yeah. There is hope in every situation. Hospital facing wherever generation is hope. There is hope. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You are my hope, my world, my joy. You're my hope. You're my world. You're my world. You're my hope.
So an interesting fact, the reason there's so many butterfly sculptures and statues and everything and artwork here in Joplin after the tornado is because there's a lot of children that survived the tornado, and they said it was because a butterfly wrapped its wings around them and saved them. And of course everyone pretty much believes that it was angels and that the children just saw it as a butterfly. But anyhow, that's the reason for all the butterflies. It's one of the really faith promoting and beautiful stories around this area. This is one of the most popular places in Joplin, so it's always busy, or at least it's always busy when it's warm weather. But this is Grand Falls, and say in a lot of pictures or promotional things for Joplin, and you'll see this. You'll see the falls in lots of people's wedding or engagement photos and prom pictures. photos until the falls, but I gotta wait for everybody to do their Instagram photos first. There's so many people down here doing stupid things right now. It would be a miracle if nobody gets hurt. And there's somebody who's been shooting fireworks off here and they left all their garbage, which is completely disrespectful. So you mean you don't want to have to be a nurse on your day off?
No, not because morons are moroning, at least.
There are lots of people down at the falls doing absolutely stupid things, and there was this guy about to fall off of the waterfall, so that would have been really bad.
It was time to leave.
Mercy Hospital is here now. Where the park is, where the memorial is where Mercy Hospital used to be before the tornado blew it down. A thing of beauty. It really is.